Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to log out of your Gmail account from other devices remotely. Whether you left your account logged in on a public computer, a work laptop, or an old phone, this method will instantly secure your account. Let's get started. First, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your Gmail inbox. Look up at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on the button that says Manage Your Google Account. This will open a new tab with your Google account dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, find and click on the Security tab. Once you're on the Security page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Devices. This panel gives you a quick snapshot of where your account is currently active. To see the full list, click on Manage All Devices. Here, you will see every computer, phone, or tablet currently connected to your Google account. Simply click on the specific device you want to remove. Finally, click the Sign Out button. Google will ask you to confirm. Just click Sign Out one more time and access to your Gmail on that device will be immediately revoked. You can repeat this process for as many active sessions as you need, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you secure your account, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, no-nonsense tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.